What's up, sweeties? It's TeeElle. And before I start this video, I want to give a positive message. Choose kindness. Always choose kindness. Always be sweet. Be generous. You never know what someone's going through on the inside. They can smile all day, all the time. Every time you see them, they'll have a smile on their face. Always think about how much stuff you may go through on the inside and you never tell nobody. You're not the only person. There's so many people in the world that are going through so much and they hold it in, or they express it in certain ways that you may not notice. So just choose kindness, because again, we all have that strong family member, friend, or you may even walk past someone who has a smile on their face, but they could be going through the worst time of their life. They could be at rock bottom, just having a bad day, in a dark place, not feeling love, may need a hug. Have a nice day goes a long way. Giving a compliment goes a long way. The small things that you do and say really does matter. Just the way you can make someone feel with a simple, have a great day, you know? This is why I call my supporters my sweeties, because I'm a sweet person and I expect my supporters to be just like me, sweet as well. I don't tolerate negativity. I don't like disrespect. I don't like mean people. So that's why I call y'all my sweeties. Since a young girl, I've always been a sweet girl. And I've shown you guys this clip before in a previous video, a get to know me video, but I want to show it again just to show you a little bit of where I come from. It's a small clip of my late grandfather, and just to let you in a little bit on where I come from and why I am the way I am.
Mr. Baker, how long you been in business here?
I've been in business for 50 years, between here and 5 years on Brushton Avenue. Well, we have a baker's dairy. That was the first, and that consists of a deli. We make the famous corned beef sandwiches, and we do grocery items, and we later on acquired the car wash.
Hey, Mr.
Gentlemen, how
Yes,
y'all?
sir. Yes, sir. You're an anchor in the community, aren't you?
I try to be.
If Baker's wasn't here, what do you think people would think?
They would think I was missing somehow or another. They need me because I work with the people work with me. I enjoy being with them, I enjoy serving them, and I hope they enjoy some of my work that I put out. And I try to be the person that they can always depend on, because I've been here, I've been open every day, and I try to do a good job. It's not there anymore.
So how do we bring that back?
Start having some eye care, some eye care things. I care about that man right there. I care about that lady over there. Ma'am, my name is William Baker. Any way I could do anything for you, or any way I could go make a trip for you, or anything you'd like to do, please come by. Things like that make a little thing make a big difference, and people appreciate things like that.
Thank y'all so much for watching. Now let's get into this DIY project. What's up, sweeties? It's TeeElle, and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Come on and join the fun.
Cause I'm crazy and I'm sexy and I'm cool. Little rough around the edges, but I keep it smooth. I'm always left in center, and that's right where I belong. I'm the random man, and don't you hear it, major song, and I like that.
Alright, y'all, welcome and welcome back. So today I'm making another Dollar Tree DIY Valentine's Day wreath. This one is a little different from the last. Happy Friday to y'all. And this board already comes like this. I chose Choose Kindness, and it's a nice wooden board. It already comes with the strings to hang on your door. But we're just going to spice it up a little bit, and we're going to add some tulle. So I decided to get glitter tulle. I got light pink, white, and a nice darker pink. So we're just going to add them to this board to give it a little bit more, you know. So what I first need y'all to do is say hey T in the comment section, subscribe, click the bell, share the video, okay? Make sure you already gave it a thumbs up. If you didn't already, stop now, give it a thumbs up. And after you're done with this video, go ahead and check out my other Valentine's Day DIY projects. as well as my DIY playlist. Let the videos play all day. Help me get my watch hours up, because I have a goal I would like to meet by my birthday, which is April 26th, Taurus gang. Yep. Share me out. The more you share, the more it helps. But let's get into this project. Get your tool. Go ahead and get you a board that's already designed from Dollar Tree. Your hot glue gun, your hot glue sticks, and your scissors. I'm not going to make y'all sit here and listen to my mouth. Enjoy.
This is not Dave.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more, I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do,
Alright, Alright, sweeties, here's how far I've got. I think I'm gonna need a little bit more pink on this side, but maybe not. It depends on how big you want this to be. You can stop now if you're more simple, but I did go ahead and cut my white tool, and instead of folding it down, I'm going to kind of fold it long ways so it can give more height to the wreath. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and start to glue my white. My immediate thought was to make the tool go around the entire board and be done with it. But as soon as I sat down and tapped into my creative space, I'm like, all right, I don't want, this to go around the whole board. That's just kind of what's expected. So just make it go corner to corner. Now this white, I'm gonna have to trim down a little bit because it's starting to look, I don't like the edges of the white. So let's see. I'm actually thinking about cutting them in half while they're stuck here. So let's see how that looks. That might give a different look to it. All right, so I cut those first two. I'm not sure if you can really see the difference, but it did give it like more of a full look, and it's not like spiky and sticking up. And I think I'm just gonna continue to cut them. Let's see how that looks.
Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body feels like I you do know. But we never fall out of love with you. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss. Baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this. I want this to work out so bad.
Something's throwing me off, and I don't know what it is. I'm thinking, should I finish just this side, the bottom? I was gonna get some like roses to put on this side, but I'm like, I don't want it to be overkill. What would y'all do? Sometimes you just gotta pick up the tool and start playing with it. Because maybe I can just do just like this, something very simple. We add all my pieces together, just like this. Okay, so let me scrunch the middle. Ooh. Take another piece of tulle and just tie it. Okay, now play with it. Now play with that bow. Let's see if that's the route you want to go. Fold that like that, kind of thin. And I want it to go down the center, so I want to start in the back, put a little hot glue. All right, so I'm just gonna glue it, y'all, before I be sitting here all day. But I just put some hot glue on the corner of my wood right there. So I'm just gonna stick it. That's it, and that's all. I ain't gonna think about it, I'm gonna just stick it on there. let me show y'all what that did by cutting that side of it. You see that? My daughter's gonna love this for sure. This is also a very nice reminder for her as well as everyone else. Don't always take everything to heart. If someone's mean to you, maybe they're having a bad day, still choose to be kind. We call it kill them with kindness. I mean, let's be real. There are some people who want to see you upset and down. The whole thing these days is people want to match energies. Oh, which level you want? I'm gonna scoop down to your level. No, ma'am. You won't see me doing it. I'm gonna stay where I'm at. I'm gonna keep my good energy. I'm gonna stay on my own level, in my own lane, my own race, my own pace. Okay? You will never see me matching someone's energy. Their energy is not my energy. Ew. Like, no. I'm not going to match your energy. So someone can be as mean as they want to me. As long as someone doesn't lay their hands on you, let them words fly, okay? Because you're blessed and highly favored. Okay? All right, sweetie. So I'm finished with the wreath, and I'm going to be completely honest with you because I'm raw and real on this channel. Very authentic. This is not my favorite DIY project. It's cute, but it's not my favorite. I probably should have went with my original thought, but I wanted to switch things up. I don't want to do the same old, but it'll do. I think actually when like you're at a distance and you're looking at the door, it'll look a lot better than it does sitting up close and like even on this camera probably. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hang it on the door, step, you know, back up a little bit. It was raining. Back up a little bit, and I'm gonna see if I like it a little better, but it's not ugly, but it's not my favorite project at all. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Be honest, because I'm a tough girl. Be honest. Choose kindness. Choose kindness today, but go to a different video and say, ooh, girl, that wreath you made on that other video Friday? Go ahead, be honest. I'm a tough cookie. I can take it. I'm gonna probably agree with you, like, yeah, girl, it wasn't all that. Because that's just who I am. That's how I am. Welcome to LifeAsTeeElle, babe. All right, but thank y'all so much for tuning in to LifeAsTeeElle. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a fat thumbs up. Subscribe. Click that bell so you're notified each and every time I post a video. Share the video. Choose to be kind and share the video. Come on, y'all. Choose kindness. For real. Choose kindness. Like I said, even if they're evil as hell, be kind to them. They need love. They need love. And sometimes people are going through things in their life that has nothing to do with you. They'll take it out on you. That's between them and God. Okay? So still choose to be kind and let them have it. All right? Thank you. Bye. Peace.
Cause I'm crazy